Okay, so today we're gonna unbox the Nest Mini. We got this for $39 from JB Hi-Fi, which is a bargain considering that this is going for $69 at Bunnings. I think 69 or 79. Last time I checked it was around that price. Okay, so it's the Google Nest Mini, the second generation. I think it's more dearer and more expensive if it's the second generation. So you can play YouTube music, Spotify. You can also call someone hands-free. And it says here, you can turn up the music. It's the mini speaker with big sound. I don't know about that. It controls TVs, lights, smart plugs, and hundreds of smart devices with your voice. So literally you can connect it to smart devices like TVs or lights or whatever it is, and you can just use your voice to turn it on, or I don't know, turn off an air conditioner or something like that. Okay, alright. Where are we now? You can make calls, set timers, check the weather, and more. Hands-free. Kristen, stop it. What are you doing? Kristen, stop. Okay, let's unbox the Google Nest Mini. Scissors?
Scissors?
Yep.
What's in there?
You don't know, we're gonna go have a look.
I need to have a look. Let's check.
Alright, so let's open it up. What's in there? Oh, look, it's a donut.
It's not a donut.
It looks like a donut.
It's not a donut.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. We picked we wanted pink, but the color actually says it is a what is this? Coral red. So it's actually red. It's not pink.
What is that?
That is that's to charge it.
And what is that?
And we have the manual.
And what
Let's
is
get manual and some, I think that's for your privacy. Being proud means respecting your privacy. Okay, I don't know what that is. This one, I don't know what that is. But this is the manual. Okay, what else is in there? We have to go look.
Nothing.
Nothing else?
Nothing else.
How about in here?
No.
Nothing in there? Oh, are you sure? How about inside? Let's go look inside. Oh, nothing. It's just boxes. And more. Oh, that's it. No more. Okay.
I told you, I take them all out.
Alright. Okay, so that's all you get. You get the adapter to charge it and the actual donut.
That's not a donut.
Oh, what is it then? A Google Nest Mini.
It kind of looks like an earphone. There's some music.
Yeah, we're gonna listen music through here, and we're gonna turn on something, the smart TVs and all that. We can call someone as well.
Call someone as
Yeah,
well.
using this one. Okay, we're gonna go try it out, and
What
but
is
first,
those?
let's go charge it.
I'm too
Wait.
sick.
Okay, so that's the power button. Oh no, I think that's for the mic, or turn on the microphone. I think there's a switch there, and that's all you have. So you have this the hole for the power, so you can charge it. Power adapter. And what is this? That's for the microphone. We might need to look at the manual to work this. But I think you connect things through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. We'll go have a look at the manual. Alright, so that's the manual. It says connect the power adapter to your Google Nest Mini. Done that. Oh, and download the Google Home app from Google Play Store. Apple App Store. Okay. You're gonna have to download that.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so we have to download the Google Home app. So that's the pink donut. I don't know if it's rechargeable or it's always has to be attached to the power. I'm not too sure about that, but I'm pretty sure it's rechargeable. 1%. Why is this taking so long? Oh my god. Why is the internet so slow? Okay, I might pause it. Wait for it to finish. Okay, it's done. Let's open the app. That's done. Welcome home. Your content and devices all in one place. Let's put this up a little bit. Oh, get started. Just gonna log into my account. Okay, the app needs location access. You have to turn that on, and you need the Bluetooth. Allow. Turning on Bluetooth. Looking for devices. Nest Mini found. Alright. So yes. Yes. Connecting to Nest Mini. Your phone or tablet may disconnect from Wi-Fi during setup. Okay, let's just wait. I'll pause this a bit. It might take a while. Okay, there was a sound that came out of the speaker, and the app is asking if I heard the sound, and I did, and I say yes. Help improve Nest Mini. Okay, yes, I'm in. Yes, I'm in. Where is this device? In my cave. I'll probably put it somewhere else, but for now, I'll just put my cave. And next. Oh, now it's asking for password. Okay, let's just put the password in. As connecting to Wi-Fi, Nest Mini is connecting to Optus. I should really change that name. And well, okay, so that's done. Next, press next. Okay, now it's asking activate voice match on this device. Yes. Next. Agree. Your assistant can already recognize your voice. Okay. Alright then. This can be used. Make a voice. Okay. Well, yes, I don't need to do anything. So this is the mic switch. Turn it off. It is currently in the on position, but if you turn it off,
The mic's off.
Yep. And you turn it back on.
The mic's back on.
She tells you that it's on. Brilliant. And I think on the side on the volume controls, then you just press here, and it goes. I think that's to increase the volume. I think this is to decrease the volume. This is to go up higher, lower, and the center part is where you play and pause the music. And some people like to mount it on a wall, so they provide some hole here where you can hang it on a, I don't know, on a hook or a nail or something, so you can hang it on the wall. See how our, oh, turn off. Okay, why is it still loading? Okay, let's try it, see if it's working. Okay, now it's asking what do you want to set up next. So I'm gonna set up listen to music, radio, watch films, and call friends. Next, play your favorite music. Connect your music and radio service and just say, hey Google, play music. Okay. YouTube, yep, I'm a YouTube premium member, so I will choose that. I don't have Spotify. What's your favorite films, TV shows next? Well, I got Netflix. I don't have Disney. I don't have Stan. I'll probably do this later, so not now. Stay in touch, connect your calling, messaging, yes, next. Get started with voice calls. For now, I'll just do music, so not now. No, I can't be bothered, not now. No, but I'll go back. Not now. No thanks. Stay in the know. No, it's asking me to sign up for their newsletter. I'm saying no thanks. Almost finished. Services. Where is it? What do I do? Continue. Continue. Now it's downloading the update for the mini software. So I'll wait for that. Okay, we're getting there. Alright, so once that's finished updating, these are the commands you can use, just some examples. So when you listen to music, you say play some music, next song, turn up the volume, play relaxing sounds, play more party playlist on all speakers. So if you have more than one speaker, you can connect them. You can connect multiple of speakers, so one can be in the bedroom, one can be in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, and you can play your songs anywhere you want. I don't know if you can choose where you want to play it in, but you can play. There's a command here which lets you play your music on all speakers, but I don't know if you can choose which speaker. Anyway, these are the other commands. What's the weather this weekend? What time is it? You can find out when is the sunset, the latest news. You can set up an alarm, a timer, a reminder. You can even do your shopping list, and you can make phone calls, and also you can control your TV, your fan. Obviously they have to be a smart device. Done. Next, play and pause. So now it's telling you how to control the device. I'm just gonna press next. You can change the volume by pressing right or left. I showed you that before. You can turn on the switch. Cave speaker is ready. So okay, now let's explore what we can do. Okay, cool.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help.
Oh.
To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay, let's just finish this and let's test it out. Okay, so that's done. Okay, let's play some music. Oh, hey Google. It's not working. Hey Google.
Oh.
Hello? Hey Google. Play some music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
It's taking a while. Okay, that's my playlist. Okay, hey Google, stop. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 2:05 p.m.
Hey Google, when is the sunset?
Today, the sun will set at 5:26 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the latest news? You can see the lights blinking. I think it means that it's working, perhaps, but it's taking a while.
Here's the latest news.
Okay, well, it's not telling
From
me.
ABC News Briefing at 12:14 p.m. today.
ABC News.
I'm Brendan Arrow with your latest news headlines. New South Wales has recorded 466 cases of locally acquired COVID-19 in the latest reporting period.
Anyway.
Four people have
Hey,
also
Google.
died. Quick.
Wake me up at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Got it. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Queensland has recorded 6 new
Hey,
local
Google.
cases of COVID.
Stop. Okay, let's try something else. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Alright, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Cool. Okay. Hey Google, add eggs to my shopping list.
Sure, I made a list called shopping and added eggs.
Okay, let's see if I can hear me. Okay. Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on YouTube Music.
Cool. Alright guys, play. Hey Google, stop. Okay, so that's it. That's your Google Nest Mini, which you can buy from JB Hi-Fi right now for $39, but in Bunnings it is $69. So get it while it's hot. A red donut.